Okay, good afternoon, friends. My name is Bright Obonnaya Ndu. Okay, so today we are going to look at this equation. This is an exponential equation in indices. Now, look at what the equation says. Say if 2 power 2x plus 2 power x plus 1 minus 8 is equals to 0, find the value of x. Now, you have to um, you have to make this 2 power 2x and 2 power x plus 1 to have the same power. Okay, then if you watch, the common number that you have on the power side is x, so you are going to look for a way to make this x to be the power of these two, and also make this other x to be the power of these two, while you work on the other numbers. So this first one can be expressed as 2 power x, you open bracket and put the 2 outside. It's still the same thing, because when you say x times 2, you still have 2x. So plus 2 power x times 2 power 1, because 2 power x times 2 power 1, you take one of the base and now add up their power. So the answer will give us 2 power x plus 1, then minus 8 equals to 0. So this will give us, of course, you should know that multiplication, that 2 power 1 is same thing as 2. So this will now give us 2 power x all power 2 plus 2 open bracket 2 power x minus 8 equals to 0. Because this 2 power 1 is the same thing as 2, and multiplication can be changed to brackets. Since they have the same number now, 2 power x and 2 power x, you can use any alphabet of your choice and replace it. So we can say let 2 power x be equals to p. What it means is that whenever we see p now, whenever we see 2 power x, we replace it with p. So that will give us p square plus 2p minus 8 equals to 0. So we'll go by factorization. In factorization, our concentration is on the a and c. Our a here is 1 because there is no number attached to the p, unlike the previous question. And our c here is minus 8. So 1 times minus 8 will give us minus 8. So we look for two numbers that when we multiply them, it will give us minus 8. But when we add or subtract them, it will give us a plus 2. So let's use 4 and 2 can go. If you say plus 4 minus 2, plus 4 times minus 2 give us minus 8. But plus 4 minus 2 give us plus 2. So whenever we see, so now we are not going to use plus 4 and minus 2 to replace these 2 being the middle number. So this will give us p square plus 4p minus 2p minus 8. So equals to 0. We factorize the first two numbers and factorize the last two numbers. So now what is common between p square and 4p? It is p. So p plus 4, when you say p times p, that is p square. P times 4, that will give us 4p. So we'll also factorize this. What is common between here and here is 2, because there is no p this side. Okay, so minus 2p plus 4. If you say minus 2 times p will give us minus 2p, and minus 2 times plus 4 will give us minus 8. You say equals to 0. Then since we have gotten to this place, we will now take the outside numbers, okay? The two outside numbers, and take one of the inside numbers. Now, how do you know at this point that you are correct? The two brackets must give you the same thing. That is how to confirm it. If the first bracket is p plus 4 and the second bracket is p minus 4, it won't work. Okay? So the two bracket must give you the same thing. Why you now take the outside one? P minus 2 equals to 0 and p plus 4 equals to 0. You take the outside and take one of the inside. So p will give us 2 and p will give us minus 4. Remember that we say initially that p is equals to 2 power x. So at p equals to 2, it will now give us 2 power 1 equals to 2 power x. Just like so two of them are in the same base, and the sign connecting them is equals to. You can the base will go. You factorize you equate the powers. So x will give us 1. This other one, so this other one is at p equals to minus 4. So we now have minus 4 equals to 2 power x equals to 2 power x. You can't express minus 4 in base 2. If it is 4, it's 2 power 2. Okay, let's try. Minus 2 power 2. No, it won't work. So you can't. So therefore, x is equals to 1. Okay? X equals to 1. So once the base has negative sign, it's very very hard to express in power. Okay? So that is it. Just follow the step. If you have any question, you can always chat me up or drop your question or your observation on the comment section. Okay? I love you all. Have a very wonderful day ahead. Thank you.